Hi guys, welcome to Gloria's Platter. Thank you for being here. I really want to say a big thank you to all the 3,000 subscribers. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and it really means a lot to me. If you have not subscribed yet to Gloria's Platter, this is the time to press subscribe. Let's go find out what we are cooking today. So here I'm frying Aloo Bonda, which are potato balls from the Indian subcontinent. These are vegetarian and is one of my favorite dishes. I first boiled the potatoes. I timed it for 20 minutes after reaching boiling point. Don't overboil or make them mushy. Peel and cube the potatoes. We need green onions, curry leaves, and ginger. Mustard seeds, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin. Onions, chopped or thinly sliced. Crushed ginger. Chopped coriander leaves, also known as cilantro. Salt to taste. Juice of half a lemon, which is optional. I have chopped green chillies and curry leaves. Heat the oil in a frying pan or wok. Pop mustard seeds and cumin seeds for 1 minute. Add the ginger and saute for 30 seconds. Next, add onions, green chilies, curry leaves, and salt. Fry until the onions are somewhat brown. Oh, just so you know guys, this is a collaboration of worldwide chefs, and I want you to go check their channels. Everything is listed in the description box. Now add turmeric, garam masala, and coriander powder. Stir and add the potatoes. Mix well while pressing the spoon to mash the potatoes. You know, this spoon is not ideal for mashing, so I will be using a coconut shell spoon from Sri Lanka. You may use a wooden spoon. Adding lemon juice. See, that works, huh? Don't make the potatoes mushy. We don't want mashed potatoes as it will be hard to form this mixture into balls. Sprinkle the cilantro leaves and turn off the heat. Mix and let it cool. This is my quick cooling hack. Now let's make Aloo Bonda batter. I have besan flour, which is gram flour, rice flour, chili powder, pinch of turmeric, and salt. And of course, oil for deep frying. Mix all the ingredients. Add water gradually to make a batter that is not so thin or not too thick. So the size of the Aloo Bonda depends. I am using a heaped tablespoonful to form into balls. I have eaten much larger Aloo Bonda, but then you need to use more oil, huh? Let's make more. I have included the ingredients in the description box. I give credit to Swasti's recipes where I got this recipe from. Thank you, Swasti. My yield is bigger as I used twice the ingredients, okay? Heat oil in a deep pan enough to cover half of Aloo Bonda. This is my heat test. Drop some batter to see if that rises to the top of the oil. I am using a large fork to lower the potato balls dipped in the batter. You know what? I will use my hands. Don't disturb them for a minute. Whoa, that looks like an alien, right? This is alien number 2. There's more, look. These are alien twins. I will have to perform surgery later. Fry these until golden brown. Drain Aloo Bonda onto kitchen towels. Remember to remove these pieces before adding the next batch. Fry 4 or 5 at a time. Don't overcrowd the pan. Okay, time to perform surgery on my Aloo Bonda twins that are conjoined. Let's hope that they both survive. Not bad, huh? Okay, let's cut and see the inside of the Aloo Bonda. How many would you eat? Write it in the comments section, please. Please keep watching as I am ready to introduce our collab team to you. This is Sylvia, who makes beautiful trailers each month for us and lets us share it with you all. Thanks, Sylvia. This is John. He is a great chef from New Zealand. Shirley is from USA. Boris is from Germany. Let's subscribe and give him his 1000 subs soon. That is beautiful Sandy, the organizer from USA. Thanks a lot, girl. Hannah is from Canada. Andrew is from United Kingdom. Michelle loves spices and is from United States. Anady is from Canada. He is our engineering chef. Who is that? The chatterbox? I live in California with my family. This is Stephanie. Stephanie is from United States. And last but not the least, here is Jill, who had her own restaurant in Jamaica. Woohoo! So that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Gloria's Platter.